Welcome to Healthy Cooking with Chef Garces. Today's ingredients, delicious avocados. We have poblano peppers here, some arugula, a little bit of cilantro, pickled cherry tomatoes, some eggs, cotija cheese. You can use any firm white cheese that you'd like. Let's get to cooking. I'm gonna use the sourdough as kind of a base, almost like a canvas for our avocado toast. Start by cooking the sourdough in just a little bit of olive oil. While that's going, I'm gonna show you guys how to roast a poblano pepper. If you have a gas stove, put the flames on, and I'm just gonna throw it right on there. Probably gonna take about 4 to 5 minutes total to get that nice roasted poblano pepper. So I'm gonna start by showing you a little technique on how to score and cut an avocado. I take my knife, pull it all the way down to the pit, take the pit out. Again, the end of the knife, right in here, counterclockwise turn, and right out. I like to score the inside of the avocado, and this just kind of already takes some of the work out of mashing it up. So now that we have our avocado prepped, let me kick it to my friend, Dr. Mazafarian, fellow President's Council member, food is medicine guru, to talk about why avocados are so good for you.
I love avocados. Not only do they taste great and they're incredibly versatile, they're packed with good nutrition. This includes the monounsaturated fats, the same types of fats that are in olive oil and in nuts that improve your blood cholesterol levels and also improve blood sugar control. Avocados are also rich in phytochemicals like lutein and zeaxanthin, which can protect against age-related macular degeneration, and glutathione, which lowers inflammation in your body.
Part of being a good chef, guys, is being able to multitask. While that's all happening, I'm gonna put some salt in here, a little bit of pepper, some cilantro, maybe a little splash of olive oil. It's nice and green, it's vibrant. Let's build this toast. I'm gonna spread some of my avocado right on there. I'm gonna add a few of these arugula leaves, put a few of our poblanos on there, cherry tomatoes, sunny side up egg, and we have a little bit of our cotija as well. To serve, I'm gonna cut this in 3 pieces, leaving my egg whole. So healthy and rich all at the same time. Enjoy this avocado toast, guys.